Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from our Binance account to any other wallet. So for that you need to open up your Binance account, and after that go to your wallet, basically fiat and spot wallet, and then select the crypto of your choice that you want to send. Suppose you want to send BTC or Bitcoin. For that you need to click on withdraw on Binance, and then you would require Bitcoin address in order to send it. So for that you need to open up any wallet. Suppose I want to send it to Trust Wallet, so I will go to Trust Wallet and then click on receive over here, then select Bitcoin, and then I will get the address. And this is how you get address from any wallet out there. Just copy this address and paste it over on Binance. After that Binance will select the network on its own, and then select funding wallet or spot wallet where your Bitcoin currently is, and after that type the amount that you want to send and then click on withdraw. After that your Bitcoin from Binance will be sent to that particular wallet from where you have copied the address. And this is how you send money from your Binance account to any other wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.